Hi everyone, it's Albina here. Today, my husband and I are reviewing the SUNNYFEEL heavy-duty wagon cart. Let's start from the very beginning. Right from the moment you open the box, so you know exactly what to expect. Here's the box. Everything arrived well packed and protected. You'll see us unpacking it together. And right away, you can tell the material is solid. The frame feels very strong. The wagon opens easily with just one pull. Super simple and very sturdy. This is the extra large size, so you get a lot of space inside. It can hold up to 550 pounds. That's amazing for a foldable wagon. Groceries, sports equipment, camping gear, gardening tools, even heavy boxes. This wagon can handle all of it. Now look at the wheels. They rotate 360 degrees and the front wheels have brakes. This gives you smooth movement and great control, even on grass, gravel, or dirt. My husband is showing you how easy it is to steer. The fabric is thick and strong. It's made from 300D Oxford material. It doesn't tear easily and it holds up well outdoors. You also get side pockets for your phone, keys, water bottle, or small accessories. Very convenient when you're moving around. Here I'm showing the cup holder. Your drink sits perfectly. No shaking, no spilling while you walk. It keeps everything organized and easy to reach. Now let's fold it back down. It's very simple. Just pull the center strap and the entire wagon collapses. My husband is helping me fold it so you can see how compact it gets. It fits right into the trunk and doesn't take much space in the garage. If you're looking for a strong, reliable, easy to fold wagon for everyday use, shopping, beach days, kids sports, camping trips, or yard work, the SUNNYFEEL wagon is a great choice. It's durable, it's spacious, and it's very easy for the whole family to use.